So, good evening, sir. And so, it's again that divine occasion where we have Ma Durga here at North Bombay Sarvajanik Durga Pujo. But unfortunately, this time we don't have Dev Mukherjee, sir. And so, it must have been difficult. But I'm sure the entire family is here together as the united family as it always stands. So, can you just tell us about this year's Durga Puja?
This year for us is a very emotional year, tragic year. We lost three of our pillars actually. The president, my father, Ranab Mukherjee, we lost him. And the secretary, who was also the person who made this Durga Puja this big, Dev Mukherjee. And then my father's sister in America, she also passed away. Anyway, this year is the 79th year.
Right.
It is the 79th year, and the show must go on. That is the spirit. And we have made, as you can see, Pashupati Nath temple. That's the theme.
Wonderful.
And the puja started today, Shaptami, and as usual, the crowd is going to be quite big.
Okay.
We have nearly 1.5 to 2 lakhs footfall every day. And I think we are the only Durga Puja in India where under one dome, AC dome, over 10,000 people eat food. And even our menu, what we have is an elaborate menu and nobody comes close. So today we had our Shaptami Bhog, tomorrow Ashtami and Navami, and then Dashami. So it's going to be one of the biggest Durga Pujas of this year.
True, sir. And for Ashtami, what is there in store tomorrow so that people can also come here and then enjoy the festival?
Tomorrow is Ashtami. So immediately after Ashtami is our Shandhi Puja. And after Shandhi Puja, normally by 7 o'clock we have our Tinichi dance. And then tomorrow we are going to have a night program which is done by the music director Pritam.
Right.
It will be more of a tribute to the Mukherjee family. So it's going to be very interesting, Ashtami.
True, sir. So for everyone who is a devotee of Ma Durga, so one message that you would like to give?
See, we always actually, the symbolic meaning of Durga Ma or Durga Puja is that ultimately whatever happens, good will win over evil. And so I would always put it in the other way that, if you have a very positive mind, you will succeed. And I feel that we are going through quite a hard time. This year has been hard for everybody. So everything shall pass. So the Durga Ma coming, I hope after this Durga Puja, the next year will be a very good year for everybody.
So hope all the best and wish you the greatest divine blessings from Ma Durga for your entire family and for all the people who visit here. And hope this becomes the most sought after, which it is. It is the most sought after.
It is the number one Durga Puja, and
yes.
I invite everybody here for our Anjalis and our Bhog, and please come.
Yeah.
We are doing our best. This is one of the best years, and I feel that I would like everyone to come and experience what we experience in our Pandal.
Thank you so much.